The latest news TVK Mr. C. Joseph Vijay. The biggest current developments are that Vijay's TVK is moving to formalize alliances, and reports say 3 former AIADMK ministers are set to join TVK at a party event in Mamallapuram today. Latest developments. TVK is reported to be preparing a formal alliance announcement with friendly parties, with Vijay stressing secularism and coalition coordination. News reports also say TVK will induct 3 former AIADMK ministers, which is being seen as a fresh setback for AIADMK. Separate reports say Vijay has been active on governance issues, including financial concerns around central scheme funding and state burden. The Chief Minister Mr. C. Joseph Vijay is being reported as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, with coverage describing his oath-taking and early government actions. That coverage says he took office with support from allied parties and moved to set governance priorities such as free power, women's safety, and action against drug smuggling. Political reading. The current TVK momentum appears to be around 2 things: expanding its alliance base and absorbing leaders from rival parties. The TVK's government current Tamil Nadu strategy is centered on expanding its opposition space, tightening its organization, and preparing for alliance talks with non-DMK, non-BJP parties. Recent reporting says the party is also trying to build a bigger base in traditional AIADMK areas and is working on committees for alliances and manifesto drafting. Party plans. TVK is reportedly planning a major push into AIADMK strongholds to test and expand its grassroots strength. The party has also set up or discussed committees for electoral alliance negotiations and manifesto work. Reports say TVK wants to hold talks with Congress, left parties, VCK, and smaller parties to form a broader coalition in Tamil Nadu. Public outreach. A major public rally in Salem was part of the party's strategy to challenge AIADMK on its home turf. TVK is also focusing on voter roll verification and cadre mobilization ahead of elections. That suggests the party is trying to combine street-level organization with alliance building. Political direction. Vijay's positioning is to present TVK as the main alternative political force in Tamil Nadu. The current plan appears less about one-off events and more about building a durable statewide structure. On the reporting available today, TVK is moving toward a coalition-centered, anti-establishment strategy rather than relying only on Vijay's personal appeal. The TVK other opposition parties are responding to TVK's overtures in mixed but very tactical ways. Some are open to cooperation, while others are staying with DMK or keeping their distance for now. Party responses. Congress-linked reporting suggests some in the party have pushed for a TVK tie-up, and that has already triggered friction with DMK. VCK has not fully committed yet, with reports saying it is still deciding whether to support TVK. Left parties and the IUML are reported to have declined TVK's overtures and instead continue to back DMK. AIADMK and BJP. AIADMK and BJP leaders have been publicly courting Vijay at different points, hoping TVK could join a broader anti-DMK front. But TVK's internal resolutions have signaled that it wants to lead on its own terms, with Vijay as the CM face, which weakens the chance of a subordinate alliance with AIADMK-BJP. That makes the AIADMK-BJP response more of an attempt to pull TVK into their camp than a settled partnership. DMX reaction. The DMK is treating TVK as a serious threat and is trying to hold its own alliance together. Reports also say DMK has criticized Congress support for TVK as a betrayal, showing that TVK's outreach is already straining old opposition equations. At the same time, DMK figures have also used public messaging to counter rumors of anti-TVK realignment. The overall picture is that TVK is forcing every opposition party to choose between ideological caution and political opportunity. So far, only some smaller or floating players seem open to TVK, while the larger formations are either resisting or trying to shape the alliance on their own terms. In Tamil Nadu politics, TVK is no longer being ignored. It is being treated as a power center that others must respond to. The TVK's main ideological problem with AIADMK and BJP is that it is trying to position itself as a secular, social justice, anti-majoritarian force, while it views BJP as its ideological opponent and AIADMK is too closely tied to BJP. AIADMK mismatch. The TVK has publicly said it will not join the AIADMK-BJP alliance because BJP and DMK are its political and ideological opponents, and AIADMK's alignment with BJP is the key obstacle. The TVK has also framed itself as stronger on secular and social justice politics, which makes a direct alliance with AIADMK harder to justify to its base. In practical terms, TVK sees AIADMK as a party with legacy baggage and weaker ideological clarity after the Jayalalitha era, while TVK wants to look like a newer alternative. BJP clash. Vijay has reportedly called BJP his ideological opponent, so a TVK-BJP alliance would contradict the party's own political branding. TVK leaders have argued that if the party wanted to focus only on electoral gain, it could align with AIADMK and BJP, but it is trying to establish a distinct identity instead. That means the challenge is not just policy differences, it is a problem of credibility with TVK's voters if it softens its anti-BJP stance. What TVK is balancing? TVK is trying to hold on to anti-establishment, youth-driven, and secular messaging while still keeping alliance options open. But any move toward AIADMK or BJP risks blurring the very identity TVK uses to separate itself from older Dravidian parties. So the ideological challenge is really about whether TVK can stay a standalone force without looking inconsistent on alliance politics. Thank you for watching Abba News Front.